You want to start a YouTube channel in 2025, but the thought of showing your face on camera makes you want to quit before you even start. Here's the thing. You don't have to. Some of the fastest growing channels right now, completely faceless. No selfies, no awkward vlogging, and they're making serious money. In this video, I'll show you why faceless YouTube channels are a goldmine and how you can start one from scratch, step by step. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal 3 faceless niches with insane growth potential right now. So, what exactly is a faceless YouTube channel? Simple. It's a channel where the creator never appears on camera. Instead, they use voiceovers, stock footage, animations, screen recordings, whatever fits the style. And here's the kicker. Viewers don't care if they never see your face. They care if you're giving them value. Why 2025 is the year for faceless channels? 2 reasons. First, automation tools have never been this powerful. AI scripting, AI voiceovers, affordable editing talent online. What used to take days now takes hours. Second, audience habits have shifted. People don't need a face to trust your content anymore. They need clarity, value, and consistency. So how do you make it work? Step 1. Pick your niche wisely. Faceless works best in niches like tutorials, tech, software, skills, education, and explainers, personal finance and investing. List-style entertainment, because they're information-driven. Viewers are there for knowledge, not personality. Step 2. Decide your format. Faceless doesn't mean boring. You can do narrated explainers, animated graphics, curated list videos, or full-screen record tutorials. Pick one and stick to it for at least 10 videos so your audience knows what to expect. Step 3. Create your production system. You can do it all yourself at first. Research trending topics in your niche. Write a clear, engaging script. Record your own voice or use AI voice tools, but make it sound natural. Add visuals, stock footage, B-roll, animations, or screen recordings. Edit with pacing that keeps viewers watching. No dead air, or outsource it. Hire an editor, thumbnail designer, maybe even a scriptwriter. Your job becomes managing the team and the vision. Step 4. Optimize for discovery. Faceless or not, if people don't click, you're invisible. That means strong thumbnails and curiosity-driven titles. Example, instead of how to save money, try 5 money hacks you've never tried. You're giving a promise and teasing the solution. Step 5. Keep people watching. Retention is everything in 2025. Your first 15 seconds should hook them. A bold claim, a surprising fact, or a question they have to hear answered. Break up your video with pattern interrupts. Quick cuts. On-screen text, new visuals every few seconds. Faceless channels can actually do this better than talking head videos because you have total control over the visuals. The money side of faceless channels. Let's talk CPMs. What advertisers pay per 1,000 views? In niches like finance, tech, and education, CPMs can hit $15, $20, even $30. That means even 100,000 views could earn $1,500 to $3,000. Just from ad revenue, ad sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and digital products. And the income potential jumps fast. My 3 favorite faceless niches for 2025. If I had to start over today, I'd pick one of these. Technology and AI tools. Exploding demand, perfect for tutorials and reviews. Personal finance, high CPM, endless evergreen content. Self-improvement and productivity. Huge audience, easy to automate. Here's the truth. Faceless channels aren't a shortcut. They still take strategy, quality, and consistency. But in 2025, they are one of the smartest ways to build a YouTube business without ever showing your face. So if you've been waiting for the right time, it's right now.